Hey everyone, this is Coffee with Katie. Welcome back to my channel. I have something super exciting for you guys today because I'm super excited about it. I'm going to be unboxing this Fairyloot box. It's the deluxe set of the Ember and the Ashes series, and I'm super pumped, and I wanted to see what's inside probably just as badly as you do, but I wanted to make sure I filmed it to share it with you all. So just keep on watching. All right, so we have this huge box. It's got this Fairyloot tape on it, and I am pumped. I got this a day ago or 2 days ago, and I was so anxious to open it, but I wanted to open it on camera so that you guys could have this unboxing experience with me. Oh man, I can't wait. For those of you that don't know, I think this went for sale in like November, December, and it didn't ship out until February, which we all knew was going to happen, but waiting for it was, I was so anxious. I just wanted it here because I just really wanted to see it. So let's go. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing is this really cool art print. It's got metallic foiling of all the characters. So that's cool. Trying not to mess anything up, but I'm also trying to get this sucker out. Okay. It's all in this like bubble wrap. Oh man, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so beautiful. I can't wait to put them on my shelves. And to read them, but you know. Lots of unwrapping. Ugh. Okay, I feel like I need to go in order, so I'm gonna slowly unfold all of these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, are you ready for this? I don't think you're ready. Okay, so, first book, The Ember and the Ashes. It's got these really cool foiling in the animal print where it's like that sparkler type cutout thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. My corner's a little dinged up, but I mean, I don't think I can complain that much. The sprayed edges, all of the colors of the sprayed edges match kind of the color scheme of this, but the edges are detailed in this cool design. Oh man, it's so cool. So that's the first one, and I'm gonna see. Yes, I got the signed edition, so they're all signed by the author. And the end papers are actually really beautiful. Okay. Ooh. This is the naked hardcover. I don't know if you can see it. My lighting is terrible today. Man, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. So that's the first one. And then I think I'm gonna butcher the order of these, but I think Torch in the Night is second. So this is Torch in the Night, what this one looks like. Oh man, it's so cool. They're so beautiful. All of them are signed. The end papers, all are the same so far. And the end color of the book is also there. It has the little horse detail on the spines, and then it has this on the cover. This is so cool. And I think some of these came out in hardback in this edition, in these new covers, but not all of them did, so some of them were paperback. So sorry, my camera died, and I had to figure it out. So I think what I was saying is that some of them came out in paperback, so I think this is Fairyloot was the only way you could get these in hardcovers unless somebody else came out with them. Anyway, the third one is Reaper at the Gates. It's got these great sprayed edges. Same end papers signed and same kind of design on the foil hardcover. And then A Sky Beyond the Storm, which is absolutely beautiful. I love this like panther guy. Sprayed edges and papers. And the same thing on the hardcovers. So yeah, I was super excited to get these. They were pretty expensive, and I don't know if I'll ever do that again, but I definitely love having these, and it's kind of a collector's edition type thing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.